Now. Ready? Now get back in timeout. Go ahead. Get back in there. Timeout. Do you need help? Here. Get your butt back in there. Come on. You keep getting your foot tangled. There you go. You're good. It's just for a few minutes. Here. I'll even let you have toys. Let me get things cleaned up.